Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the fixture is dead with a voltage tester. Safety first. Once done, set your ladder and spread a drop cloth under the work area to catch screws and parts. Have your screwdriver and replacement LED ready so you don't climb up and down. Make sure to wear glasses and gloves. This prevents dust and sharp edge injuries. Now climb the ladder steadily and position yourself so the fixture rim is at elbow height for easy access. You release the trim or lens next, using one hand to support it as you loosen clips or screws. This prevents the lens from dropping. Once exposed, locate the LED module retention, spring arms or screws, and remove them carefully while keeping track of hardware. Then identify the connector. Press the tab on Quick Connects or loosen wire nuts and separate the wires while noting colors and positions. Take a phone photo if needed. Make sure to set the old module aside and keep small parts in a container to avoid losing them. You connect the replacement LED by matching wire colors and fastening with the provided connectors or wire nuts. This ensures correct polarity and safe operation. Once wired, tuck the module into the housing and secure it with springs or screws, then reattach the lens or trim so it sits flush. Restore power at the breaker and test the light. If it flickers or won't turn on, make sure connections are tight and the driver is compatible. Swap the driver or retighten wiring and test again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.